Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, I just want to take a second to say a huge thank you to all of our subscribers. Your support means the world to us. In this video, we're diving into the most popular Toyota Tundra replacement parts and accessories that are currently flying off the shelves on Amazon. Let's get into it.
Might be different for
Cabin
you guys,
air
but make
filter
sure you guys
replacement.
get the right size. But generally, your cabin air filter is in the passenger side glove box at the back. Very, very easy to install. Make sure the airflow arrow is pointing the right direction. But other than that, 100% recommend these, and I'll see you in the next one.
Central control gear shift panel. Trim cover. Compatible with 2022 to 2025 Toyota Tundra. Four pieces. Bed cleat tie down. Anchor for truck bed rail system. Upgrade control. Switch knob for Toyota. Tundra accessories, 2000 to 2006. Center console organizer. Compatible with 2022 to 2025 Toyota Tundra. Tundra screen protector for 2022 to 2025. Tundra/Sequoia 3rd Gen.
And
White
here we are
LED
looking
lights
at
plate.
the final
Lights
product.
with red OLED neon tube.
I do like these red accents on the lights here. Kind of a nice touch to improve the aesthetics there. So overall, I'm pretty happy with these. Still not thrilled that I had to modify them to make them fit properly. Really wasn't that big of a deal, but hopefully what I learned here and what I posted up here will help the next person that may run into the same problem. So overall, can't give these 5 stars because of the fact that they didn't fit properly right out of the box, but because the modification was really pretty minor, I'm not going to take more than 1 star off for that. So hopefully
Mud flaps. Compatible with Toyota Tundra, 2022 to 2025. Truck bed cargo net compatible with Toyota Tundra, 2007 to 2024, 2025 accessories. Armrest, hidden storage box cover. Compatible with Toyota Tundra, 2022 to 2024, 2025. Hey there! I'd love to know what car model or content you want me to create next. Drop a comment below with your suggestions and I'll make it happen.
Stay updated on Amazon's best automotive products and viral finds. Click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss out on our latest video.